Think, Learn, Innovate.
Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class, what we'll do, we'll try to draw the vector grouping of Yd1 and Yd11. As you know, I've already taught you guys in these two in the class. So there are many students who want me to do it, teach you guys again. So I'm making this video, and it's a very short video, and I will try to do it very fast and in precise format. If it's come in your exam, try to do it in this format. So first of all, what I will do it for Yd1. Y is my primary, D secondary, and 1 is my first. So 1 is what it says, when is 1 is minus 30 degree. So first of all, what I will do, I will draw the primary side winding and secondary side winding. So let me draw the primary side winding first. There are three-phase transformer. So there will be 3 winding in the primary side. So I will name this one, as I told you guys, I will name this one in capital letter A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. Similarly, in the secondary side, I will name this one like this. A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. So, first of all, I will draw the primary side, and the primary side is delta connected. So, first of all, I will draw the delta connection first, this one, and then this, and yeah. So, I will name this one first of all. This is my A1, this is my A2, this is my B1, this is my B2, this is my C1, and this is my C2. And what I will do next is I will draw the wiring diagram here. I will connect both of them together. This is short circuited, and this is complete my primary side. So next what I will do, I will try to draw the secondary winding. So I will take a dotted line like this. And here I will try to do the same thing in here. Okay, same winding diagram here. So here, sorry, and next thing here, next thing here. So I made a replica of this thing here. When I make the replica of that thing, next what I want to do is I will draw my clock convention first here. So I will draw the clock. So I will make a clock here, 12. Next is what? 3. Here will be 6. And here will be my 9. So first of all, I will draw my min time here. And as it is 1, so it's 30 degree. 1 is here, so it's 30 degrees. So I will make a line like this. And this is my clock. So again, I have to do this 30 degree here. So I will come back and I will draw a straight line like this. A 30 degree line like this. Another 30 degree line. A 30 degree line here. And a 30 degree line here. So from here to here 30 degree, here to here 30 degree, here to here 30 degree. Now, yes, good. So I have to now join this one, this together. So if I want to join this one, this, it's identical to this line. So what I will do is that I will take this one and I will join this line together, and I will say this is my A1, this one line together, and I will name this one. See, this is A1, so I will name this one A1 and this one A2. Similarly, I will join this one, and this is identical to which line? This line. So again, we'll join this line with this one, and I will come here. This is B1, so I will name this one B1, and this is my B2. And this line will be identical to this one. So then I will take this and I will join this together, and it will be what? C1, and this will be my C2. If this is the thing, so I have to join this line together. So A1, C2. Where is my A1? A1. And then C2 is A1, C2, C1, B2, C1, B2, and A2, B1, and A2, B1. This gives you the vector grouping of Yd1. So similarly, what we have done it in Yd1, we'll draw the first a wiring diagram. First, we'll draw the wiring diagram of the primary side. And as I discussed you in the class, that I will name this one A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. So similarly, I will draw it for the secondary side, and secondary side, I will draw the wiring diagram of the secondary side. This is called A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So at first, what we'll do is we will draw the star connection side first, primary side first, and the primary side, what we'll do is in the primary side, we'll draw the first the star connection. So this is my primary side, star. So I will draw a star, 180 degree, 120 degree apart, each of them. And the name of the one will be, this one will be A1, and this will be A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. So similarly, as we have done in the previous case, I'll make a dotted line and I will come here and I will try to make a replica of the primary side star connection, and that I will do in a dotted line. Similarly, one here. Yeah, it's a straight line now. Similar to 120 degree, this one, and 120 degrees. Okay. So after I do this, I have to draw my clock convention here. And to draw the clock, I will say this is 12, this is 3, this is my 9, and this is my, sorry, this is my 6, and this is my 9. And at it's 11 o'clock, so it's 11 here, so it's 30 degree leading. So I have to draw this one in here. To draw this one there, first of all, what I have to do is I have to draw this 30 degree angle. See this 30 degree from here. Next, the 30 degree from here. And another one, 30 degree, sorry. And 30 degree from here. So I've got all the three connections. 30 degree, this is 30 degree from here, 30 degree, 30, that is my 11 convention. And now I have to complete my delta. And to complete the delta, I will make a straight line, say a straight line from here to here. That gives me the first of my kind, that is my, say, A1, and this is my A2, similar to this one. Then I have to connect this one and this one here, which is similar to C1 and C2. So I'll come here, I'll connect these two together, and I will name this one my C1 and C2, and then I have to connect this one together. To connect this one together, and I will name this one to be my B1 and B2. So now see, I got A1 connected to B2, A1 connected to B2, so I will connect this one together. Then I connect B1 to C2, and then I connect A2 to C1. So it's so simple. It will take you 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes to draw the vector grouping diagram of Yd1 or Yd11. In previous video, I showed you how to draw Yd1, and here I am showing you how to draw the Yd11. So it's very simple, very easy, and I hope you can do it together. And one thing and one important thing which I have to draw it one here is A2, B2, C2 is connected together. So you must join A2, B2, C2 like this. And my A1, B1, C1 is like this. So this concludes your vector grouping of Yd11. Thank you.